Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a GIF in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to Wondershare Filmora, to their website, and download the actual application. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us. In the top left side, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and the Help option. And we also have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and the Split Screen option. The Export button is at the moment gray because we don't have anything there. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and choose how to make a GIF in Filmora. So basically what you need to do firstly is go and add a video to Filmora. So you'll take a video and drag it and drop it in Filmora. After that, you need to go and put it down here to have actually the opportunity to export it. So basically here you can go edit your video, prepare it for the export option. Now you just need to go and click on the export button, which is at the moment, as you can see, available. Click on it. And here you need to go and find the GIF. So basically here you can see MP4 and other options. So what you need to do guys now is click on the GIF option, which is the one here beneath the MP3. Click on GIF, put the video, put where you want to put it, set the resolution, click export as you will do in the MP4, and that's basically how you can do it guys, only the size is smaller. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.